You're welcome to Blue Carbon. I'm very confident in Blue Carbon's product, and it's very famous so that my customers trust me more. Products here speaks and sells themselves. When I wear this uniform, I wear pride. We don't just sell products, we sell confidence. %40 of my orders comes from customers' recommendation. When they see our product, they see excellent quality. And our customers, they don't just buy solar, they buy peace of mind. So this is one of our happy customers' home. We want to go inside now to get the review for our products. Trust us, Blue Carbon. Come on, follow me. So you can see how massive the house is. You'll be shocked, you'll be dazed, you'll be amazed that Blue Carbon powers this whole house without any flinch, no story.
As you can see, this guy has been powering my house for over 1,000 days. Let me show you some other things. As you can see, the fridge is on. And also the lighting points, they are on. This is second fridge. And also the television is on. And the lighting points also here, they are on also. The AC are on consistently. Sincerely, Blue Carbon is the best. I also recommend you give their product a try.